Man up, man up, man up. It's time to man up. We have to man up. We man up against domestic violence, against sexual violence, man up against gang violence. It's time, brothers, that we man up. We've got to stop the madness. It's time that we as men, that we take a stand against the violence that's going on in our nation. It's time that we take a stand against the violence and the craziness, the madness that is happening, that is ravaging our neighborhoods, that's ravaging and destroying our families and our homes. It's time, men, that we man up. We man up against the violence, domestic violence, gang violence, sexual violence, all kinds of violence and oppression. It is time that we man up and take a stand. Come on, men, come on. Let's get on board. Let's get with the team. Let's get off the sidelines. We no longer can afford to stay on the sidelines. We've got to get into the game. It's time that we man up. Man up, man up. It's about you. We need you, brother. We need you to get on board with this movement. This is a movement of men, professional men, non-professional men, wealthy men, poor men, black men, white men. It's time that we get on board and man up. We need athletes, sports figures, businessmen, clergy, spiritual leaders. We need those who are civic leaders, elected officials. We need men from all walks of life to get on board with this movement. Come on, let's get on board with this. This is time that we have to man up against this craziness that's going on and stop the craziness, stop the madness that is happening in our nation. We've been on this merry-go-round going around and 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 around. And at some point, it has to be stopped. You can stop it by getting on board with this. We found that our men, because of the anger, because of the depression, because of traumas in the soul, we find that our neighborhoods are being ravaged, our families are being destroyed, we're not taking good care of our health, we're finding too many of our men being incarcerated, and yes, way too many are ending up with the early and untimely death. Men, we have to man up against this problem that's going on in our neighborhoods, in our communities, in our cities, in our nation. Let's man up to stop this craziness, to stop this madness, and be healed internally, get our souls healed so that we can go on and lead healthy lives and get this thing reversed that's ravaging our communities. Get it reversed and turned around and on the right track. But it depends upon you. Will you man up? Will you join me today in this man up movement?